Hello everyone, today is my pre-service orientation schedule. So today is February 17, 2025. So yung schedule ko is 2 p.m. And this afternoon, I have worn already a cutie headband. Tapos naka-polo shirt na rin ako ni 5-1 Talk. Tapos itong blue na ito, kaya lang wala ako yung circle na maganda na may nakatatak na 5-1 Talk. So bibili pa ako if ever na ma-hire na talaga ako ni 5-1 Talk. And then also with me is my staff toy. Baka kasi kailangan. Tapos notebook and ball pen at saka water, baka mauhaw ako. Right now, 1:09 pa ng hapon. At least prepared na ako. Anyway, isang oras lang naman yung pre-service orientation. Good luck to me. Ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Okay, so ayan, kung titignan nyo, ayan, nakalagay dyan, PSO, February 17 at 2 p.m. Tapos, nasa group chat na kami ng Skype. Kasi before, it's Zoom. Tapos, 3 oras yung pre-service orientation. At ngayon is 1 hour na lang. So, kaya siguro, ganun, naging Skype na lang kasi napakaikli na ng time ng pre-service orientation. Ayan. Yung facilitator ko, mayroon ng mga instruction dyan, mga reminders. So, babasahin ko muna yan, guys. Okay, so yung reminders niya dito is, all good afternoon. Welcome to the pre-service orientation. Kindly ensure to read first the reminders below. Kindly confirm your attendance before 1:30 p.m. by replying with your information sheet below. First name, complete middle name, last name. Indicate if no middle name, NA. Take note of the format. Indicate highest educational attainment, college graduate, college undergraduate, college student, first, second, third, fourth, high school graduate, associate graduate. Yan. So, i-indicate natin yung highest educational attainment. Tapos, birth date, month, date, year. Indicate both course and university, school, work experience, ayan, if OFW or had experience working in other countries, kindly indicate yes or no. Country, company name, and number of years working in other country. Indicate yes or no if you can provide a proof of education now. So, example below, yan. So, mayroon siyang example dito. Prepare pen and paper for your notes, or you may use Notepad, Microsoft Word. Okay? Settle your work area, plain white background. Yeah, plain white background only. In case you encounter any technical issues during the session, I might remove and reschedule you. FYI. Working headset and webcam. Yun, sana hindi mag-brown out. Kasi wala pa akong nakalagay dito na backup. Clear and proper camera orientation and with good lighting. Ensure stable internet connection. Mobile phone, tablet is not allowed. We change the password of your candidacy portal account. We'll discuss this part during the orientation. Okay, so fill upan ko muna. A while ago, sabi ko sa inyo na ang magiging pre-service orientation is sa Skype group chat. Pero mali pala kasi mayroon akong na-receive dito na email. Kabago-bago lang siya pumasok na email na it's still on the Zoom. Yung Skype is just for the facilitator to convene or magrupo niya lahat ng mga applicants for that said schedule. Tapos doon na siya magbibigay or magsisend ng kanyang Zoom link. Yes. So mayroon na siyang link na ibinigay dito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung Zoom link. Okay, so yan yung Zoom link. Pero hindi lang na-edit ito kasi nakalagay dyan is 3 p.m. Pero dapat 2 p.m. yung aming simula. So yan, Fassi Jake's Zoom meeting. So hindi pa niya ako ina-accept kasi siya yung host ng aming Zoom meeting. Tapos ipapakita ko yung email kung saan nakastate dito na in Zoom meeting pala. Papasok na kami before 2 o'clock para makapagsimula na. So far, dito sa aming group chat is 17 participants na kami.
That ends my video today. In my next video, I will share you ano yung mga ginawa namin during the 1-hour PSO. So don't forget to like this video if nagustuhan mo and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below so I could help you with your application. Thank you for watching. always smile and God bless everyone. See you next time!